Hey there, this is Anna Malimon, and I hope you can hear me well today. I'm coming from a little bit of a different scenery, and I am at kids' camp in the state of Washington, actually, with my kids. And it's like a Christian church Bible camp, and so we're having a lot of fun here. But at the same time, I wanted to talk a little bit about having a flexible schedule. And the reason is I constantly and always, we hear from all kinds of entrepreneurs and everybody that you must work hard and you got to hustle. And the working hard part is true. Yes, you got to work hard and you have to work smart. But do you truly have to hustle, hustle, hustle all the time? To be honest with you, I'm not a robot. I cannot hustle 24/7 because I have children and I have other responsibilities and I just cannot, just basically dedicate my whole life to my entrepreneurship and do nothing else. It's just not reality as a mom for me. Dad, come say hi. Okay, so she doesn't want to say hi today or right now, but anyways, as a mom, that's not my reality. So hustling is not the answer to my lifestyle, not the answer to my scheduling and my hours in my business. So I make time for my business and where I have a few hours that are dedicated to income producing activities, and then I have time for my family. I have time for eating and sleeping and everything else, right? And so that's one thing I wanted to make sure that when you are, putting together your schedule and booking your day out, make sure that it's fits your lifestyle. It fits what you want to do, not just because everybody else says you need to hustle, hustle, hustle and do this and do that. But if you can and are able to dedicate a couple of hours towards income producing activities in your business, I know that you will have success and you will make it work because you know that you're specifically doing certain things to make things work. And so that's what I wanted to share with you today. While I'm here at kids camp, I am finding time. And the thing is, it's up to me to create my time. I hope the car traffic or whatever other noise you hear, I hope you can still hear me well. But anyways, as far as that goes, I'm creating my own schedule, and so I have the freedom to do that, and I love that. I love that about working from home, about being able to be there for my kids, for my family, be with them wherever they are. But I also have my laptop with me, so therefore I can still do run my business and just double check on my systems, but the systems are running for me, so that's another beautiful thing. So if you don't have a system running for you, if you don't have a set schedule, if you don't know what your income producing activities are, stay tuned to some more of my videos coming up because that's exactly what I can cover for you, so that way you have a better understanding of what to specifically focus on to get work done. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. God bless and stay awesome.